Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Cloud SDK for cloud commands. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud SDK download page. Look for the section labeled Cloud SDK. Choose the appropriate installer for your operating system. For Windows, click the link that says Windows. For Mac OS, select the appropriate download link. For Linux, find the relevant option for your distribution. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. For Windows users, double-click the downloaded.exe file to start the installation. Follow the prompts in the installer. Make sure to select the option to install the Cloud Command Line tool. For Mac OS and Linux users, open a terminal window. Navigate to the directory containing the downloaded installer using the command line. Run the command to execute the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, restart your terminal or command prompt. To verify the installation, type Cloud version and press Enter. If installed correctly, you should see the version number of Google Cloud SDK. Now you are ready to start using cloud commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.